Stay safe on the road with the best car cameras for safe driving. In this video, we'll review and compare the top dash cams on the market, featuring 4K resolution, GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, and more. From budget-friendly options to high-end models, we've got you covered. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road tripper, a car camera can provide valuable evidence in case of an accident and even help you improve your driving skills. Watch to find out which car camera is the best fit for your needs and budget. Number 1. ROVE 2-4K Dual Dash Cam. Clarity, coverage, and confidence. The ROVE 2-4K Dual Dash Cam is designed for drivers who value safety, clarity, and convenience. Featuring both front 4K 2160p and rear Full HD 1080p cameras, it captures every angle of your journey with sharp detail essential for accident evidence, road incidents, or parking lot disputes. At its core is the advanced Starvis 2 sensor, renowned for delivering clear, detailed footage in low light and nighttime conditions. Whether driving through dark streets or poor weather, you can rely on consistent image quality. Transferring videos is fast and effortless with 5G Wi-Fi, offering speeds up to 20 megabytes per second via the ROVE app. No need to remove the memory card. To get you started right away, it comes with a free 128 GB micro SD card, offering hours of uninterrupted recording. Number 2. The REDTIGER F7 NP Dash Cam offers premium front and rear recording with up to 4K front and 2.5K rear resolution, capturing every detail on the road. Its 170 degrees wide-angle lens and WDR technology ensure clear, balanced images in all lighting conditions, while advanced night vision enhances low-light performance. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS make it easy to transfer footage and track driving routes. The 3.16-inch IPS screen provides sharp visuals for playback and settings. With a 32 GB card included in 24-hour parking mode, this dash cam delivers reliable coverage and protection, whether you're driving or parked. Number 3. The VANTRUE 4.3-channel dash cam offers complete coverage with front, inside, and rear recording. Capture 4K plus 1080p dual channel or 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p triple channel footage for unmatched clarity from every angle. Ideal for rideshare drivers and road trip enthusiasts, it features IR night vision for crisp interior and exterior recordings in low light. The supercapacitor design ensures durability in extreme temperatures, while 24-hour parking mode monitors your vehicle even when you're away. Supporting up to 256 GB storage, the N4 delivers extended recording time, making it a reliable, all-in-one solution for safety, evidence, and peace of mind on every journey. Number 4. K600 4K Dash Cam delivers ultra-clear UHD 2160p recording from both front and rear cameras, ensuring every detail is captured. Its 170 degrees wide-angle lens and HDR technology provide sharp, balanced images in all lighting, while advanced night vision enhances low-light clarity. The 3.59-inch IPS screen offers bright, easy viewing, and built-in GPS logs routes and speeds for added security. With 5G Wi-Fi and a dedicated app, you can quickly download and share footage. A free 64 GB SD card is included, and 24-hour parking mode keeps your car monitored around the clock. Protection and peace of mind in one smart device. Number 5. The WOLFBOX G840S Mirror Dashcam transforms your rearview mirror into a 12-inch 4K smart display, combining a front and rear dual camera system for complete road coverage. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, footage transfers to your phone quickly via the companion app. Night vision ensures clear recording in low light, while parking assistance offers accurate reversing guidance. The wide display reduces blind spots, enhancing safety for cars and trucks alike. Built-in GPS records routes and speeds, and a 32 GB card is included for instant use. Stylish and practical, the G840S delivers modern protection, convenience, and visibility in one premium mirror dash cam. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, comment below. And you like the products in the video and want to purchase them, please visit the video links in the description box for more details. Thank you.